What's up, everyone? It is Jason Janai. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this baby right here, the brand new Pioneer DJ DDJ Rev 5, the Rev 5 right here. We're unboxing it. And real quick, I want to say this up front. This is not an affiliate video. This is not a paid video. This was a piece of gear that I invested in myself because I needed a new controller, and this right here checks a lot of boxes for me. The technology from the Pioneer team continues to evolve, and this week we're unboxing a bunch of new gear from Pioneer. That was paid for, not affiliate deal. Now, if you're looking for a hookup on getting one of these for your world, for your system, for your setup, for your DJ furniture, for your bedroom, I don't care what, I'm gonna share a link with you in the description of this video. That's where I bought this one from. If you invest and click on that link and you actually purchase something, you're gonna support me, this channel, and the hustle that goes on here, and I appreciate that in advance. Anyway, time to unbox this baby and give you like a first impressions kind of take on this new controller that I'm pumped to add to my arsenal of gear here at SCE. Now, unboxing this controller, there's not much to it. The controller just slides right out of the box. It looks pretty solid. The top of the mixer resembles like the S7 layout. It's a metal face here. The sides on the actual deck part feel plastic. It feels like a entry-level controller to me. Definitely light. And the purpose of me investing in this specific piece of gear is I need to put together a small, lightweight coffin for some different style events that I do, where I can also add a dual receiver transmitter Sennheiser EWD mic combo kit to a box that is not super heavy, that allows me to do things like after parties or event pop-ups or maybe a cocktail hour live DJ set. I need something small, super functional, and that's why I invested in this specific piece of gear. The Rev 5 is actually going to be replacing my Rev 7, and some people watching this might be like, Jason, that seems backwards. Why are you moving away from the Rev 7 to use a Rev 5? I don't know if I actually will do that, but that's my thinking. Invest in this newer piece of gear and be able to use some of the latest and greatest technology that is integrated with the way I use Serato, which is my platform for playing my music and my parties, with the buttons for stems. I don't have to remap anything, and take my events to another level with a small controller. Now, really quick, I hate controllers. I rather use individual decks like CDJs or the new Pioneer CRSS 12s, the PLX tables. I like my Rain 12 setup, but I do have a need and a desire to have a small controller system, so that's why I got this. If you are interested in getting information on this specific DDJ Rev 5 system from Pioneer DJ, I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description of this video where you can actually get it from the same place I got this one, and I'm pumped to try it out and put it in play and get it working. I'm going to be using it next weekend at one of my events I have an after party at, and this right here looks like it's going to be a fun little thing to play on. I like the size of it, and I like the functionality of it. I am a big fan of the S foundation from Pioneer DJ in terms of mixer layout, like the S7, S9, S11. I love this kind of foundation for not just the architecture of how the mixer is laid out. I just like the way how everything works. Now, there are some shortcomings and some flaws with this system as a whole, and I will be doing a full review of my real deal opinions of this unit after I use it once or twice at real events. Yeah, just stay tuned and check back in the future. You might actually catch that review here on the channel. Anyway, if you have questions about the layout, the deck, pricing, anything at all, throw it in the comments underneath this video. And are you investing in one of these things? If so, or if you already have, or you've already used it, please add to the conversation and throw some love and your experience using this, or why you are investing or why you're not investing in this, in the comments underneath this video, and I appreciate it, okay? Be on the lookout. More videos coming right here to this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead, and thanks for checking out the DDJ Rev 5 unboxing right here on my channel. Thanks for watching.